Hey Lori, Tom Cooper here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. I want to put a quick video tour together for you on the 2021 Audi SQ5 you're interested in. I have it here in front of me. This is the gray on black that you're interested in. And we'll take a walk around, point out some of the options and features we have in here. So, as you'll see, we have really nice carbon fiber trim. We've got suede inserts throughout. We've got full digital dash, touchscreen center infotainment system, and then all of your climate controls, heated seats in the middle there, and your gear lever down below. We've got these really nice bucket seats that are heavily bolstered here with the S logo for the SQ5. Come around to the rear, show you the rear seats. Again, carbon fiber trim, the suede insert on the door. We have the leather and suede two-tone seats back here as well. Got rear climate control and 3 seats in the rear. Also very, very nice looking wheels on this SQ5. Pop the rear to show you the storage in the back. Plenty of room. It does have an all-weather mat for the storage area here in the back. And then it is automatic down. Come around the passenger side, get a good look at the passenger side for you. So that is a quick walk around of the vehicle. Wanted to get you that because we haven't gotten the photos up yet. So this gets you a good live look at the vehicle. If you have questions or anything, you want to set up a time to come in, please feel free to do so. You can reach me at my phone. My direct line is 207-510-2286. Thanks. Have a great day.